We all know the diamond blade is the gold standard for cutting any type of granite, stone, pavers, concrete, brick, and any other type of masonry. But the diamond blade or diamond wheel from Diablo is a superior choice amongst these other blades. For starters, if you didn't know, the diamonds in a diamond blade are synthetic and they're placed throughout the outer edge of the disc. And when we look at the close-ups of the end of this disc, we can actually see the diamond grooves that the company says delivers lasting durability and maximizes cutting quality. Now, there are segmented and continuous rim designs. The continuous rim designs, like this one has no breaks in the wheel like a segmented one does, and it allows for 60% smoother cuts versus the other standard diamond cutoff disc. And I'll show you how right here. When we slow down the video, we can see the outer rim's edge work to constantly grind down the sides as the wheel spins, allowing for a much smoother surface when you are complete. So it's constantly almost sanding down the sides as you're making that cut. Now I'll walk you through using it to cut off a part of this paver stone. Now this is the same technique for pretty much any type of stone, but we're gonna use this paver here. For starters, you want gloves and safety glasses. So the stone will fling up and it can easily hit you in the eye. So this is seriously imperative. Put some sunglasses on or some cheap clear ones like I have, but just put something on. Next, you'll need to tighten the blade really well. In the beginning here, it actually started coming loose on me, so just a reminder to make sure it's on there very well. You can use this blade wet or dry, but for a paver like this, you don't need any water like you would tile. Now, the next thing you need to do is take it slow. There's no need to rush this. You can draw a line or cut it by hand, but remember, every time you touch something with this spinning diamond blade, it's going to cut it. So getting an accidental cut or an accidental chip is very easy if you're not careful. So try to keep a steady hand. You can use this around curves or in tight spaces. It really doesn't matter. It's quite an impressive product. And when we're all done, you can see the final cut. It's not perfect, but this is a raw cut with no sanding, and you can see that even a DIYer like myself can make it look really good and straight. So if you are in the market for a new diamond blade, obviously I highly recommend and suggest this one. It works very well for me and my needs, and I'm pretty sure it's going to work for you and yours as well. But reach out anytime with questions or concerns. I genuinely hope this was helpful, and as always, have a wonderful day.